It's MC Monte in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monte. This tutorial series is all about how to build the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. Yeah. It's MC Monte back with another video tutorial. And in this video series, it's all about building our 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. I'm very excited about this build. All my construction is done, but as you can see, I still need to paint. But by the end of this video series, I'll be showing you how to paint this cosplay, and it will be totally complete. This first video is about construction of the chest. And then the very next video that's releasing the same day as this video is about the torso. If I would have put them together, it would have been a super long video. So I just made two separate videos. But this will get you started building your 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. So we're going to get right into the tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and let's make your chest. I'm starting with my shoulder attachment. I'm going to trace the front and then the back in 4mm EVA foam. Ignore what this says. That was the wrong label, so don't worry about that. That's the wrong label. But you'll have this piece. If you download my patterns, you'll have this piece and it'll say shoulder attachment. So I'm going to trace one side, flip it over, and trace the other side. Next, I'm going to do the same thing for the back, shoulder attachment. Next, I'm going to cut out my chest piece. I'm using 6mm EVA foam for the chest. So for this piece, I'm going to trace out the front, flip it, then trace the back, and then you're going to put certain marks on the back. Trace one side, flip it over, and trace the other side. So when you trace the front of your chest piece, you're going to connect these two lines, like so. Now that my chest is cut out and I have the detail pieces cut out, I'm going to hit it with the heat gun. So right now I just want to relax the foam, get it to unroll, lay flat. Now I'm going to flip my chest piece on the back side and I'm going to put my undercuts. So I will have 1, 2, 3 undercuts on this chest piece. So now I have to mark where the undercuts go. So I trace this whole section onto the back of the EVA foam for an undercut. And I need an undercut here. I'll do the same thing for the other side. I'm gonna turn on my wood burner and score these marks into my EVA foam. If you don't have a wood burner, you can also use an X-Acto knife and then open up the score marks with your heat gun. If you use your wood burner, make sure you have good ventilation and you use your respirator. I'm gonna score all of these lines in the foam and make sure I only go halfway through the foam. Now both sides are ready to go. Next I'm going to use contact cement. I'm going to put contact cement where I cut the undercuts, and then I'm going to glue all the undercuts together to shape the chest piece. Once again, when you're working with contact cement, be sure to wear your respirator and be in a well ventilated area. So now I'm going to press the gaps together so that these undercuts can start to take shape. First one I'm going to do are these. And next I'm going to do these. I'm pressing pretty firmly on the EVA foam. Because this is high density EVA foam, I can press really hard and it won't damage or affect the EVA foam. Next I'm going to do these seams.
And you don't want that.
I'm going to take a strip of EVA foam, 2mm EVA foam, and glue it inside of here and here so that the chest piece holds its shape. The next thing I'm going to do is glue the chest piece onto the shoulder connecting piece. I'm marking where the center is on my EVA foam so I can line up everything properly. I have a little bit of extra right here, so I'm going to trim it off. Next, I'm going to cut out the back piece. In this next section of the tutorial, I messed up the order of operations, but I'm editing the video in the proper order, so just follow along in the steps that I laid out in the tutorial. The key point is that you need to cut out your back piece, glue your back armor onto your shoulder piece before you connect the front and the back together. You'll see what I mean in this next section. I should have connected this back piece to the back shoulder piece before I connected the back to the front, but it's okay. So make sure you don't make the same mistake. Next, I'm going to connect the front shoulder piece to the back shoulder piece. And there you have it. We're off to a good start with our 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie cosplay. Your chest armor is now complete. The very next video, I'll be showing you how to make your torso. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.